Was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at lunch.
Here we go.
The following message is transmitted Texas Amber Alert Network. The Henderson County Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Mia James, 11 years old, white, female, last seen wearing a long-sleeved teal hoodie with the word venom in glitter and black shorts. The missing child was last seen at 8:25 p.m. on November 14, 2024 at the 6200 block of County Road 3925, Athens, Texas, 75752. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert 311 Texas Amber Alert Network. The Henderson County Sheriff's Office at 903-675-5128. Female, last seen wearing a long sleeve teal hoodie with in glitter and black shorts. Here is the Athens County forecast. 25 p.m. tonight, clear. 14th, 2020. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest 20 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny.
Just switch.
In the mid-70s. Female, last seen wearing a long up to 30 miles an hour. And black shorts. The child was last seen at 25 p.m. on November 14th, 2024 at the 6200 block of County Road 3925, Athens, Texas, 75752. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Henderson County Sheriff's Office at 903-677-6311. News media point of contact is Henderson County Sheriff's Office at 903-675-5128. 79 degrees, dew point 48, and relative humidity 33%. Here is the pressure 29.8 inches and falling.
It's on 3 stations.
Junction. Skies were sunny. 78 degrees. Dew point 50 and the relative humidity 37.
There you go.